How do biomarkers guide precision cancer therapy? Have you ever wondered how doctors choose the best treatment for cancer? The answer often lies in something called biomarkers. Biomarkers are measurable indicators found in tumor tissue or body fluids. They provide important information about the specific characteristics of a cancer. This information is essential for guiding precision cancer therapy. Precision cancer therapy tailors treatment based on the unique features of an individual's tumor. Instead of using a one-size-fits-all approach, doctors can use biomarkers to understand the genetic or molecular changes driving a patient's cancer. This personalized method can lead to better outcomes. At a basic level, biomarkers can help classify the type of cancer and predict how aggressive it might be. More importantly, predictive biomarkers indicate whether a patient's tumor is likely to respond to a specific targeted therapy or immunotherapy. For example, certain genetic mutations in lung cancer, like epidermal growth factor receptor mutations or anaplastic lymphoma kinase mutations, serve as biomarkers. In breast cancer, human epidermal growth factor receptor 2 overexpression is another important biomarker. These markers guide the use of drugs designed specifically to target those alterations, which has improved patient outcomes compared to traditional chemotherapy. Biomarkers also help identify patients who may benefit from newer immunotherapies. Tumors with mismatch repair deficiency or high microsatellite instability often respond better to immune checkpoint inhibitors, a type of immunotherapy. Additionally, measuring tumor mutational burden, which counts the number of mutations in tumor DNA, is another way to predict response to immunotherapy. However, the standardization of tumor mutational burden testing is still evolving. In clinical trials, biomarkers are used to select patients most likely to benefit from experimental treatments. This approach, known as biomarker or even trial design, groups patients based on molecular features rather than cancer type alone. This strategy accelerates the testing of targeted therapies and helps find effective treatments for rare mutations. For patients considering clinical trials or new treatments, understanding biomarkers can be very helpful. Biomarker testing can identify available targeted therapies approved for a specific cancer type. It can also suggest eligibility for trials testing novel drugs aimed at a tumor's specific alterations. Knowing your tumor's biomarker profile allows doctors to avoid treatments that are unlikely to work, which reduces unnecessary side effects. Biomarker-guided therapies often lead to better outcomes and fewer side effects compared to traditional treatments. This is because they focus on the unique biology of the cancer. Advances in technology, such as next-generation sequencing, have made comprehensive biomarker testing more accessible. This allows for detailed analysis of multiple genes at once. Emerging methods like CRISPR-based detection and single-cell sequencing are improving biomarker discovery and monitoring in real time. Biomarkers serve as a roadmap for precision cancer therapy. They reveal the molecular details of a patient's tumor, guiding the selection of the most effective treatments. This helps match patients to clinical trials that may offer new options tailored to their cancer's unique profile. For patients exploring trials and treatments, biomarker testing is a key step toward receiving therapies designed specifically for their cancer's characteristics.